guys, what's going on? Today's Thursday. I just finished dropping off my wife at work, so I have about an hour until I gotta go to work. So today we're gonna be installing some new Downstar ice on the car, some new Downstar bolts. This is for the motor mount. So I got what I ended up doing was getting one side of the motor mount and then the transmission mount also, but I didn't get the ones for the ones that go into the transmission because one of them is stripped. And I think the other one is stripped also, so I can't really get another one because I have to use the American size bolts on that one. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put these on and show you guys how they look. Car is here, all nice and clean. Well, not clean, but you know, looks clean. I didn't vlog this week because I guess it was my wife's birthday weekend, and she went skydiving. I didn't go skydiving. And I just wanted to enjoy the car because I haven't had the car for a long time, so I just wanted to enjoy it, and that's what I did. So now we're back to making a vlog, and this Sunday we're gonna be at IBOC. So let's get this morning started, guys. So got my tools out. All you need is a 14, and as you guys can see, the reason I want to change them because those things are horrible. We've had them for a long time, and they're fucking horrible. So yeah, all you need is a 14, and that's it. Basically, that's all you need. Got my good old WD-40. Just gonna spray some around it because you know it's been in for a long time, so don't want them to get stripped at all. So some WD-40 will work good. Now peep the ice. Let me show you guys something. Look at the details. Look how beautiful this looks. Look how disgusting this looks. Let's get it in the sun. Like, look at this. Now look at this. Guys, come on. Look at this. Beautiful. Look what you made me. I've been praying for the rain to fall. Wash me down so I'll be born. Open heavens, let it pour. You can love me again, again, again. You better love me again. You better love me again. Come down, she's sorry. Going in like butter. That new bolt life. It's going in like butter. Check it out, guys. Look at that. Hand tight, hand tight. Going down like butter. Look at that. Ooh wee. There you go, guys. Check it out. Got the new bolts in. Look how good that looks. Now I just gotta take this one out. But I'm gonna have to jack up the car and then put a jack underneath the oil pan, because once I take that bolt out, the motor mount's gonna fall. So I gotta jack up the car from this side, and then yeah, just jack it up from this side and then put a jack underneath the oil pan, like just to where it touches, where the motor won't move out once I take that bolt out. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so she's in. Had a little bit of trouble because I had to like pick up the car a little bit more so the motor mount can move up. But yeah, got them all three done. My boy Andrew has the bolt for this. The bolt for that one, for the old one, is a different one because it's the eBay mount, so it's like American thread. So now I just have to do this one, and yeah, we should be good. This one should be easy. Just put a jack underneath and that's it. Alrighty, got the bolt out. Time to put the new one. What I do right now is, as you guys can see right there, just gotta pick up the transmission a little bit more so the bolt hole could be perfect, and I'm good to go. I got a new bolt. I got a new one of these bolts right here that my boy Andrew has also. I'm gonna get that one. And the reason I get these is because you guys can see one is American The one in the back, I think is messed up, and then this one I just need to get a bolt for. So it didn't really make any sense. So yeah, then the next thing I'm probably gonna get is the ones for the cam caps, and yeah, we'll be fully Downstar because everything on this car is Downstar. So guys, bolts come a long way. Get rid of your nasty, rusty bolts and get some Downstar. Plain and simple. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today. The bolt went through. I don't have the Allen key size for the motor mount bolts because it's a way bigger like Allen key size. So my boy Andrew's gonna bring me one. So when he brings me one, probably most likely tomorrow, he's gonna bring me one. So I should be good. Bolt up the motor mount bolts. Well, the one that goes to the motor mount, and then I just need the bolt for the motor mount on the left side. I just need the nut for the back. And yeah, and we're good to go. And Saturday, which is when I'm gonna pick up the camera, I'm gonna clean the car, do a whole bunch of shit to the car. So that's it for today, guys. I'm already tired and sweaty, and I gotta go to work. So see you guys on Saturday. Alright guys, what's going on? It's not Saturday, it's actually Friday. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning right now. Drew came by yesterday and hooked me up. He got me the bolt that I needed for the bolt from the mount. So I got the nut right here. And I have the Allen key size right here, which is this gigantic one right here. So there we go. They both fit. So I'm actually gonna get started, put both these things on, and yeah, we should be good to go. Still clean this car. This car is filthy right now. So much shit in here. There you go. Nice and tight. So I took this bolt out to replace it with a new one. And when I screwed it in, the other bolt started getting tight, so I was like, alright, let me take it out. So then I put this bolt right back on, and as soon as I put it on, I tighten it, I go a little bit more, and it gets stripped. So I don't know what the hell happened. I didn't go tight at all. Like, it was just, like, it wasn't super tight or anything. So now I could like just, if I go back, I could like spin it, but the bolt does not come out. So yeah, I'm not gonna worry about the shit right now. I'm just gonna leave it, and then I guess later on I'll figure it out later on. I'm not too worried about it right now. I mean, the bolt is on there, it's not coming out. It doesn't come out even if I push it out to the back and screw it out. It's not coming out, so I know for sure it's not going to come out, so I'm going to just leave that right there. I still have the other two chassis bolts, and then when I come back later on down the road, I'll figure out how to take that out. Probably got to put something in the back. I was putting pressure from the other side also, and nothing, so yeah, but it's all part of the game, man. At least if it's stripped, then I could just, you know, I have another bolt there that my boy Andrew gave me also, so I could just put that one on. So the thread pitch is a little bit thick, like a little bit wider. So if it's, hopefully the bolt is just stripping. It's not the inside of the nut. So hopefully, but at the end of the day, I guess you can still, you know, use that and then put like a nut on the other side. So it's not the end of the world. I still have the other two bolts on the chassis. So yeah, but I'm about done here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's going on, guys? Today's Saturday. I know this video has been going on for a long time, but bear with me, guys. I work. I don't do this full time. So today's just gonna be prepping the Civic. I have all my cleaning stuff here, shampoo, everything. I'm gonna walk right now and get some awesome spray for my tires to clean them up. A lot of people always ask me what I use to clean my tires, and all I use is awesome. It just takes everything off the tire, make the tire letters nice and clean, make the wheels nice and clean. So yeah, I'm gonna walk over right now, pick that up, come back, get to washing the car, and yeah, just basically gonna be a prep day. And I'm gonna try to get that bolt out. I think my dad's gonna bring over this other tool that might be able to take out that tool. Might be able to take out that bolt. So hopefully, let's see. Alright, so for everybody asking me, what do I use to clean my tires to keep them so clean? Right now they're dirty, but they're gonna look, I don't know if you can catch them on camera, but they're dirty. This is what I use. Awesome. It's $2. Literally, I'm gonna put awesome in it, scrub it with a brush, and the tires and the leathers are gonna be perfect. They're gonna look brand new. Do some water on there. Just open it. Look at that. Look, everything already coming out. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at that. Look at the color. You guys can see. Let's take this off. Check it out. Look at that. It's already working, like literally right away. Look at the brown stuff coming off. I'm telling you guys, for $2, this thing works amazing. Me and Julio been using this for all the OG subscribers. You guys know me and Julio been using this forever. Take a wheel brush. All you gotta do. All of this. Wheel brush, scrub. Spray. Watch how easy this thing comes out. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Brand spanking new. Alright. Engine bay. All nice and clean. Literally scrubbed it down with soap and a sponge. And this thing looks way better now. She actually looks way more glossier now. I haven't washed this engine bay like this in a long time, but yeah, she is. I gotta wet the car again. I was just making sure that everything here was dry first. Alright, so Julio's here. We just came real quick to Flawless to get a wheel alignment because they just changed his upper boy joints. Get a full wheel balance, all fours, and go back to the house and clean this dirty shit. Look at this. Disgusting. 3 hours later, and now we're ready to wheel align Julio's car. Getting that good old E85. Well, Julio getting that good old E85. This thing needs a wash. This thing is so dirty. I still gotta vacuum my car and everything, clean the inside. So I'm gonna just go home, finish that, and yeah, probably go pick up my wife and then I'll set. Man, I wish I never pumped E85 in my life. Only the cool guys get to pump E85. Look at this. Look at the prices. You already had 2 gallons at $5. Oh Yo, this suspension, hold on. Best suspension ever. Everybody goes to BC's. Julio, how long had these skunk tools for?
7 years.
7 years, and these shits drive amazing. Lady's mad. This lady's mad right now that we skipped her. She's mad at you, Julio. Jesus Christ, dude. For y'all who haven't seen my paint, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's purple. So it just changes colors as you walk with it. It goes from a midnight to purple. But look at this thing. Oh, nice and clean, ready for tomorrow. Can't wait. The tires and everything, she's not gonna move, she'll be good. Alright, what's going on, guys? So I'm done with the car. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm in the room with my daughter. Just playing with her right now in the room. Say hi. Your stickers? Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just playing with her. Hopefully I get some rest. I gotta wake up at 5:30. I'm not too sure how much... I'm not sure how long I'm gonna get of rest, but hopefully I get enough. Julio's a crazy ass driver. You guys see him. He's a fucking madman behind the wheel, but he has a lot of skills behind the wheel. But yeah, so tomorrow's iBox. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. It does a lot for my channel, like I told you guys before. Build to enjoy. Until the next time, guys. Peace.